turn on the menu. So if you know, hit that like button and subscribe right now. So I'll show you step by step how to get Millimeter menu hack. So you can get it to play. So you can get it quick and easy, guys. This menu hack is 100% working. So these are the menu hack that I find. Menu hack say. So you can get it to play, guys. As you can see, all of my gas bomb are 100% working. My gas bomb right here are 100% working. So I'll show you how to download this Millimeter menu hack so you can get it to play. Finally download, so I'll show you, share it with you in this video. Link in my comment section right now. So we have to go to now. You have to go subscribe to my channel right now. So if you unlock this last link to download your app now. So now you gotta scroll back and click on subscribe on my YouTube channel. So when you click on subscribe on my YouTube channel now, the link going to unlock right now. Click on that link right there now, guys. You see it now? You scroll down, you see generator, generate link, download. So you're going to click on that blue word, generating link, download, everyone. So you're going to wait, so make sure watch the video till the end and don't skip the video, guys. So let us show you now. Now you're going to go to generate link now, everyone. So you're going to see this file, Millimeter 5560 mods. So you're going to click on it, guys. You click on it, you're going to see download now. Now you're going to click on download now, everyone. So I tap on download now, that is the top button, everyone. So you're going to lead you to this page right now. You're going to see the file is download in right now. So it's going to lead you to the file, Millimeter 5.6 main mod menu zip. So when you finish download it now, you're going to see this Millimeter page. As you can see right now, I click on that circle profile right now, turn on that menu. So I profile, I click on turn on these menus. Yes, everyone. So this is a menu 100% working, everyone. So let I show you some few menus. So don't skip the video as yet, everyone. So let us show you some menu that I'm going to turn on. You see that an arrow? Yes, that is the menu that I'm turning. So I want to play some millimeter milli outpost to see if this app is working perfectly. And don't turn on everything as yet. I only turn on some, everyone. Yes, so if you need some more menu, you can turn on that while you are playing when you finish download your millimeter right now. So as you can see, this is the menu that I'm playing. Display verse mode, no login, no. Yes, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Teach you how to download millimeter mod menu hack 5.60. So press the video on the screen right now to download millimeter older version so you can get it to play 100% working. So press it on the screen right now.